Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter at the workbench with the freshly flattened jointer plane. I cleaned up the blade set, got rid of all the rust. You can see everything nice and clear now. You can see lots of pitting back here. But I got her sharp, except for there's one little nick. You can see it here. I'm not going to grind away good metal for a left hand nick. I fit everything was relatively square, understanding these are handmade, and so they're not going to be perfectly parallel. But let's see if we can get it to sing. First time I'm putting this back in. Let's see what we got. That's a fairly heavy cut, but we'll give it a try. Try backing it up a little bit. Okay, no cut. Good. That's what I want. I want no cut. We'll give it a little tap, tap, tap. Ah, there it is. Okay, so where are we? Left, right, we're left. Tap. Okay. Still a little bit left. Let's see what we got. Not too bad. It's pretty exciting. Let's see how straight this board is. That's pretty good. Look at that. So what do you think, everybody? Success? I'd say so. So you can't teach an old plane how to sing. Walter out.